Hello students, today we will study about the more sums of exercise 2.2. In previous classes we have studied up to the question number 4. Now we will continue with the question number 5. This is the topic of standard 8, chapter number 2, linear equations in one variables. Okay. So what is the question? The question is two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? So here we have given the ratio of two numbers and the ratio is 5:3. So here we cannot guess or we cannot suppose any number as a variable x. Here there are two numbers, so we cannot suppose that first number is x or second number is x, because if we suppose first number as x, then what will we take as a second number, that we don't know. So what we have to do here is, see, here we have given the ratio of the first number upon second number. Let's suppose first number upon second number is equals to 5/3. Now we have to multiply this both number, numerator and the denominator, by the same number that we have taken as an variable. See, why we take this number as a variable, and the first question is why we multiply 5/3 with some same number, because this is the ratio of two numbers. We don't know what is the actual number is, because the ratio means by the number get by cancel out the common factors. That means 5 and 3 has now no more common factors other than 1. 5 and 3 has only common factor as a 1. 1 is the common factor of 5 and 3. But what if they have more numbers, common factors other than 1? See, one of the example. 5/3 is equal to 20/12, because they are the like fractions. Like fractions means the value of both the fractions are equal. Like 20/12, we can write down 20/12 as 5 fours are 20 and 3 fours are 12. So 4 is a common factor in 20 and 12. So if we cancel this 4 and 4, what will remain here? We have 5/3. 5/3. So the ratio of this two number is given as a 5/3. But actual first number and second number we don't know. It may be 20/12 or 5/3. So we don't know what is the common factor in these two numbers. That is why we take one variable x, which is a common factor in both the numbers. So let's suppose the common factor of both this number is x. Now the value of x may be 1 or 2 or 3 or 5, because it is a variable. It can contain any value. Okay. So now this first number is now become as a 5x and second number is becomes as a 3x. See, first number is equals to 5x and second number is 3x. Okay. So now one condition also given is that they differ by 18. They means both the numbers differ means the difference. The difference of the two numbers is equals to 18. Now this 18 is positive. That means we have to subtract smaller number from the greater number. We have to take first greater number, subtract the smaller number. The result is equals to 18. So now here we can notice that 5x is a greater number and 3x is a smaller number, right? So this is, we have to think logically, that why we take 5x minus 3x, why we do not take 3x minus 5x, because the difference of both the numbers is given as 18 and 18 is positive. If 18 is given as a negative, then we have to subtract greater number from the smaller number. Okay? But here this is positive, so the difference of first number minus second number is equals to 18. So in this way we make a linear equation. in which one side there is a variable and second side, other side, there is a number. Okay, so now 5x minus 3x is equals to 2x. 2x is equals to 18. To get the value of x, we have to now take this 2 to the right hand side. Or in other words, we have to divide both the side by 2. So if we divide this side by 2, we get x. If we divide this side by 2, we get 9. Or in another word, by taking this 2 to the right hand side, it will goes in the denominator with the 18. So here only x will remain. Here we get 18 upon 2, that is equals to 9. So the value of x we get is equals to 9. Okay. Now what will be our first number? First number is 5x. So the first number is equals to 5x and the value of x is 9. So multiply this 9 with 5. We will get 5 nines are 45. And that will be our first number. In the same way, our second number is 3x. Second number is 3x. So multiply 3 with again x. That means again with 9. So 3 nines are we get 27. So this is the first number 45. Second number is 27. We can check it. Our number is right or wrong. Here we have given that they differ by 18. So the difference of 45 and 27 is 18. Yes. 45 and 27. Take the ratio of 45 and 27. What is the common factor? 9 is the common factor. So when we divide 45 and 27, if we divide both this number, 9 will cancel out each other. Only 5 upon 3 will remain. And that I am trying to understand you here. Why we take x as a common factor. So I think now you can understand this question, how to solve this type of question, and how to make the equation from the given situations. Okay, so this is all about this question number 5. Okay, so let us study the question number 6. And the question number 6 is 3 consecutive integers add up to 51, then find these 3 consecutive numbers. Now we have given the integers. What is the meaning of integers? Integers are the numbers which contains minus numbers, 0 and positive numbers. That means integers is a number of set in which all these numbers are there. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. Both side it is up to infinite. Okay, so we have to take 3 numbers from this set. But what kind of number? Consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers means if we take first number as minus 2, then second number we have to take minus 1 and third number we have to take 0. If we take 0 as our first number, then 1 will be second number and 2 will be third number. That is the simple meaning of the consecutive. Consecutive means one after another, next number, and the next to next number. These 3 numbers are called as a consecutive numbers. So let's suppose first number is x. First number that we have to take is x. Why we take here x? Because we don't know out of the 3 numbers which number is perfect. Means 1, 2, 3. We don't know the exact number. So let us suppose it is an x number. It is a x. So now how to take other 2 numbers? Because we can suppose only one variable. We cannot take second number as another variable y or third number as third variable z. We can suppose only one variable, and that we have supposed first number is x. So how to get the second number? Let's suppose our first number is 0. Then the consecutive number after 0 is 1. So what we do to get 1 from the 0? We have to add 1 to the 0. So we get the next number to the 0. Or you can notice that here all the numbers are differ by 1. That means if I add minus 2, if I add 1 to the minus 2, we will get minus 1. If I add 1 to minus 1, I get 0. If we add 1 to 0, we will get 1. If we add 1 to this one, we will get 2. This means to find out the second consecutive number, I have to add 1 to this x. So our second number will be x plus 1. So here second number is x plus 1. In the same way, to get the third number, we have to add 1 to this second number. By adding 1 to this number, we will get x plus 1 plus 1. That means x plus 2. So our first number is x, second number is x plus 1, and third number is x plus 2. So these are our three consecutive integers. Okay. Now one more thing here we have given is add up to 51. That means if we add first, second and third number, we get the result is equals to 51. So this is the first number, add second number, add third number, total is equals to 51. So here in this way we get an equation in which there is only one variable. Now we will simplify this and get the value of x. Okay, so x plus x plus x, 3x are there. So 3 times x is equals to 3x. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So 3x plus 3 is equals to 51. Now take this 3 to the right hand side. We will get 3x is equals to 51 minus 3. So 3x is equals to 48. Now again this 3 to the right hand side, it will now go in the denominator of the 48. So we will get the value of x is equals to 16 because 16 3s are 48. So we get the value of x, right? Now see here, we suppose the first number as x. So our first integer number is equals to x, and that is equals to 16. Second number is x plus 1. So second number will be, instead of x, now we can put 16. 16 plus 1, that is equals to 17. And our third number will be x plus 2, that is equals to 16 plus 2 is equals to 18. So you can notice that 16, 17, 18 are the consecutive numbers, one after another and one after another. 16 after 17, 17 after 18. So in this way, we can find out the consecutive numbers by taking the given situation. We can make the equation. By solving that equation, we can find the value of variable x, and putting the value of variable x in these three numbers, we get all the three numbers, right? So the first number we get 16, second is 17, and third number is 18. So these are our three consecutive numbers. We can check this by adding all three numbers. The addition of all these three numbers is 51. Yes. All these three numbers are integers. Yes. Then our sum is right. So you can think in this way and solve this kind of numbers. Okay. So this is all about this lecture. Thank you.